How to find Bitcoin address on Phantom Wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find Bitcoin address on Phantom Wallet. To find your Bitcoin address on Phantom Wallet, first of all, open your Phantom application on your mobile device and ensure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here on the screen, you'll be able to locate different icons at the middle row. Tap on the receive icon right here, and inside it, you'll be able to see a list of supported crypto. From here, you will need to select Bitcoin from the list. After selecting Bitcoin, your wallet address will be displayed on the screen. You can see both the alphanumeric address and a QR code for easy sharing. To copy the address, you can simply tap on this copy icon at the bottom. And if you want to share or send your wallet address, you can tap on the share button at the very bottom, and you can use various social media platforms in order to share your Bitcoin address. So by following these steps, you can easily locate and manage your Bitcoin address in your Phantom wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.